This model kit review is of the F-9F Cougar. This is the swept wing version of the Panther, and this is a 1/48 scale model by Revell. Here you can see a picture of the finished model, and there's some other pictures, and let's see, it's 24.5 centimeters long. Let's have a look inside. This does look like an older kit. Let's have a look at our sprues. So first of all, here are the fuselage halves, and a fair amount of surface detail, but it's all raised. This is an older kit. We have some mold lines, and the same on the other side here. Looks like that's probably the air brake. Here we have our wings, and the other side of the wings. Here's the canopy, reasonable. On this sprue here we have our stabilizer, looks like our pylons, landing gear, really not a tremendous amount of detail. Here's our exhausts. Here's our cockpit with our guy that's molded in. You can see significant mold lines really everywhere. Not really much detail there on the instrument panel. Not sure what those are for. And here are all of our wheels. Not much detail there at all. Decals, well printed, actually reasonable. So looking over here, we have our colors that we need, and do an A or B version. So we build the cockpit. It's really mostly built. Air intakes, exhaust, fuselage goes together, nose wheel together, then the stabilizer, then the wings. Wings go on, then have the landing gear up or down. So that's with it up, and that's with it down. Putting the landing gear on there, and landing gear go on, and then I put the weapons on, and the canopy and the nose. Here's the painting and decal guide. So all in all, not a very detailed model. Decals are reasonable, but the rest is kind of disappointing.